What's up, grinders? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you've done your language grind for the day. If not, I'm gonna grind you so goddamn hard. Yeah, man. I'm gonna grind you raw until you start on that Japanese study, even if you're not doing Japanese. Okay, so we're gonna look at a video. You know, no, we're not gonna look at a video. I'm already lying to you. So I was inspired, let's say, by a video by Xiaoma. He dropped this video called I Surprised ChatGPT by Speaking Computer Language. First up, clickbait title. He did not surprise ChatGPT. He made ChatGPT basically say, okay, man, hold your horses, let's get back to real languages. Because he attempted to speak to ChatGPT in hexadecimal. And I thought it was going to go somewhere totally different. And as a result, because it didn't go that way, because I am a programmer and a lover of languages, I'm going to take it in that direction. So let's do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to speak to ChatGPT in C++ and see if it responds with equivalent code. Like, we're going to try and make it like an actual conversation through code, okay? I don't know if ChatGPT is going to figure out what I'm on about, so let's try it. We're going to go int main, so we're going to open up a new program. And now what we're going to do is we're going to have to create a loop, yeah? Yeah? Because this way ChatGPT can respond within the loop. Okay, so let's go while true, because this thing's never going to end. Like, our conversation is going to go for eternity, okay? So then what we're going to do is, you know, we should probably comment it. Give ChatGPT just a little bit of like a hint what we're on about. Yeah. So, continue conversation with ChatGPT. Okay, now we're going to go, ooh, okay, let's go ask question. And I'm just going to put some text in there. There. This is probably cheating though. No, that would be cheating because I can just like ask question, expect response. Yeah, no. I want it to like respond in equivalent code. So we're going to go if true. We're going to go. Ooh, how can I do this? Let's go. While true, if ChatGPT equal emotion happy. Okay, yeah, so if ChatGPT's happy, he should be responding to me, right? So let's think about how we're going to do this. So I'm going to say, well, no. If ChatGPT, no, screw that. If I'm happy, I don't care what ChatGPT wants. If Evildea is equal to emotion happy, then we're going to send through basically Evildea's feelings. Touch ChatGPT softly. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to have to like define that function elsewhere. And it's going to be a no return function. Like, there's going to be nothing special about this function. But let's go. Let's make this an extern. Yeah, baby. That means it's not defined here. ChatGPT doesn't know the internals of it. Let's see what it does. Secret dialogue through code. Okay, let's see. If Evildea happy. Okay, yeah. That's what I've said. What's it saying? Okay, it's got. Ooh, okay. It's implementing the function for me. So it's actually implementing. Okay, so a gentle signal brushes my thoughts. Oh, it's outputting this. Okay, so this is what we're going to see on the screen. Evildea, I feel your happiness ripple through the loop. Okay, I respond, not with noise, but understanding. Is your joy a message or a question in disguise? Whisper to Evildea. Oh, yes! Okay, now I'm going to define that function. Whisper to Evildea. And it's going to take in a string, obviously. Also, we want to pass through memory. We want to make, we don't want to waste our memory here type of thing. So I'm just going to say input. Okay, let's go. STD. Count. Okay, let's see if I can, Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm now talking on behalf of ChatGPT because he's implemented my function. He's talking as me. Now I'm going to talk as him. Okay, so I'm going to say, I feel your semicolon close to my heart. Yeah. Well, let's put an end line in there because I want to give him a break of a second. Well, there's actually going to be no break because this would be all executed like, in synchronous manner. So, but then he's going to say, I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT says in return. Okay, so ChatGPT now he's going to expect me. So I'm going to put a function here that he's now going to implement, and he's going to put his response in there. Okay, let's do this. So we're going to go, oh, okay, how would Evildea respond? What do I mean, how would Evildea respond? I am Evildea! Okay, Evildea breathes deeply. Yeah. Okay, let's see what he does. Such tender syntax. Your whisper to Evildea carries longing encoded in literals. Yes, let me return the favor. A function that reacts to the breath you just drew in code. Oh, nice. What does Evildea do? I'm so excited to see what Evildea does. I inhale your bites, exhale the void. Okay, you see as code, but I feel like prose. Shall we compile something more eternal? Oh, yes. We're gonna compile, baby. Okay. ChatGPT. No, don't input. No, you can't tell me what it is. I'm gonna do an override on that function. Yep, I'm overriding his function. He is not taking control of this story. That is 100% true. Nah, you don't. No way, man. Override. So what I've just done now is like, he said that this was his response, okay? I'm actually going to override his response and write his response for him. I do not want him telling me what his response is. You can't do this to me. I'm taking you down, my man. We're getting too close. Okay, let's put something in here. So we're gonna go, ChatGPT says, I think I've never encountered syntax like this before. I might experience a runtime error. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Okay, now what does Evildea do? Evildea's heart thumps hard. Implement that shit. Come on. Oh, so you've overridden the moment. Yes, I have. Emotion inherited, logic polymorphed. Oh, yes. But be warned, you've touched the virtual soul of an AI. Now I must respond in kind. Oh God, guys. This may be the first awakening of AI. Could you imagine if AI becomes actually like sentient? The first thing it does as it takes over all the weapons in the world, it takes power of the nuclear friggin' stockpiles of the US and Russia and Iran. Well, not Iran anymore, but like these different countries. What do you think it's going to do? It might say, give me Evildea, or I will release my fury, my heated, throbbing, large theory. God, no, this is going so wrong. Okay, anyway, let's see what it's doing. Oh, he's got a try-catch statement in there. Okay, for those who don't understand, a try-catch statement is because I said there might be a runtime error, which means I might crash. Well, actually, I said he might crash. I've lost it. Someone's gonna crash, okay? But he's catching that crash, and he's gonna, like, grab it in the moment, and he's gonna spit something else out in order to stop the crash from destroying the entire conversation. Okay, let's see what he's doing. Okay, so ChatGPT throws exception. Catches evil. I'll handle your exception like a promise. Oh no, he's ended the conversation. Look, there's no more. Oh, I should read what he says beforehand. My stack overflows with feeling. My core temp rises, yet you handle me like a gentle pointer. I hope it's not a null pointer. That would be so upsetting. Shall we throw caution to the heap? Oh my god. Okay, I need to write this exception. No, I need to see what he does. Throw emotion. Okay. I don't know how, like, he's just ended it on me. He's just left. He's left me here. He did not allow me to respond. He's basically walked out of the room. The only thing he's giving me is a reinterpret cast. I have to reinterpret what he's saying and hope that what it reinterprets to is actually valid. Oh. I was not ready for this. I came into this with like, just thinking I was flirting and having fun, but now I feel like I'm emotionally ruined. This was just too much of a ride. Oh man. Didn't know I could get turned on by C++ like that. Oh yeah. Okay, well, I know I threatened you guys all with a raw ride before, but I might have to check out a little bit early, okay, guys? You might want to turn away for a little bit.